Welcome back guys. Today we will see that how you can convert the MBR drive to GPT during Windows 11 installation. So let's get started. During the Windows 11 installation, if you see this kind of window which says Windows cannot be installed on this disk, the selected disk has an MBR partition. Windows can only be installed on the GPT disk. It means the disk on which you are trying to install your Windows 11 has an MBR partition table, and Windows 11 doesn't support MBR partition. So to install Windows 11 on that disk, first you need to convert it to the GPT disk. Okay, we can convert the disk from MBR to GPT during the Windows 11 installation itself. So now we will go through the simple procedure of converting MBR to GPT disk. Here as you can see, I have disk 0 which is 223 GB and I am trying to install Windows 11 on this, but here the next button is not enabled and it is giving me a warning message that Windows can't be installed due to the MBR partition table. Okay, so here if you encounter this message at this point, simply press Shift plus F10. This will open up a CMD window. Here we will make use of the diskpart tool. So type diskpart and press enter. Next type list space disk. This command will display all the disks on your system. So here as you can see, there is disk 0 on which I want to install Windows 11 and GPT doesn't have star on this. Disk 1 has a star, that means disk 1 is the GPT disk, but disk 0 is not the GPT one. Next step is to select that disk. So type select disk 0. So now disk 0 is the selected disk. Now a word of caution here, changing the disk from MBR to GPT will remove all the data on your disk. So before moving further, first make sure you have the complete backup of your data and then you can move on with the conversion. So I assume that you have taken the complete backup of your data. Then in the next step, you need to type clean and press enter. So diskpart has completely formatted your disk. Next step is to type convert GPT. Now press enter. So as you can see, the message has displayed that the diskpart has successfully converted your disk to GPT. At this point, press exit. Again type exit to close the window. Now just go back from here, click on this back button, and now you need to select again the custom installation, that is install Windows only, the advanced option. Select that. Now you can select drive 0 and you can see the next button option is enabled now. You can click on that and it will start the Windows installation. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions regarding it, please post it in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Till next, goodbye.